What up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am Stephanie Renee, and today I'm going to be playing with soap brows. Soap brows. So if you're like me, you've been seeing a lot of new marketing and like photos and images of people with these beautiful, dope, bushy brows. And I definitely wanted to try it. Just like everything else, soap brows have been around forever. Makeup artists have been using them like since the beginning of time, but just like everything, somebody just resurrected it and made it seem like it was a new hot thing. But I must say they're looking pretty good, and I had to try it. So apparently all you need is translucent soap, so clear soap, no color, or you'll get like the white or creamy haze on your eyebrows. That's not cute. And a little spoolie. So translucent soap and a spoolie. So it's actually a really inexpensive thing to get. So I just cheated and went over to Amazon and bought like a $6 pack. And I have it right here, it came in the mail. Love Amazon, gotta love Amazon. And they send me just like a kit that is ready to go. So it comes with a spoolie, with the two sides to it, and then also a thing of brow soap. So we're pretty much good to go. And do you see that? It's perfectly translucent. I've seen some people buy like pairs, I wanna say, on Amazon too, but this one you actually can see through. But as long as it's a translucent soap, you are good to go. And then I really liked this. I mean, of course you can go to the store. I was just lazy and I've gotten used to just Amazon. You think about it, you Amazon it, and you're done. You just throw it, you pack it, you're good. But this one I thought was cute because it has the little, this one if you want to add a little color to it, and also the spoolie. So I'm here for it. So I'll give you guys a close-up on my raw brows. I didn't put anything on it, although I must disclose 3 years ago I did get microblading. So if you can see, there's a light haze of where they drew, or they bladed my eyebrows with a little bit of permanent pigment, which at the time they said will only last for like a year or two, but surprise, it's still here. I do need to do a review on my microblading experience and what it looks like, the aftermath, but that's what they're looking like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet up my soap a little bit, because that's what you do, get the soap a little frothy and then put it on your spoolie. So I'll be right back. Also, for those of you guys that are watching this and are maybe like, wait, what are soap brows? I'm gonna show some footage right here of some beautiful images of people with soap brows that are just fluffy and beautiful and raised. I also like the way they kind of like lift your face a little bit because you're moving all your brow hair up. So I think that's phenomenal. So I'm here for that. Okay, so I just wet my soap. So you maybe can't tell, but it's kind of glistening. I also wet my spoolie. Another thing to know is I did put foundation on because I wanted my skin to be cute in the video, but I would do this before you do the rest of your makeup moving forward for sure. And we're gonna clean up, you know, afterwards the soap if it gets somewhere else, and then I'll just blend my makeup back in. But I think it actually would be easier to do it if you do it before you do your makeup. So brows first. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and just roll the soap right in there and let that kind of firm up a little bit. And we are just brushing up, lengthening and brushing up. I look like Wolverine, huh? It really does lift the brow though. Okay. Okay, so now that I've brushed them all up, the next thing that I like to do is I will kind of push it back just a little bit, just to give some uniformness and a little line. But you can go, you know, maybe if I was doing like an editorial photo shoot, I might leave it how it is, but just to make it, you know, and you want to try to smooth out any patterns that are forming or like clumps, you know, of hairs getting clumped together so that it's just very even. Ooh, loving how that's looking. Oh, okay, do this side. Super, super easy. So for those of you that already have like perfect, thick, lush, no little holes in your eyebrows, you would then clean it up and you would be done. Now, that is not me. So I'm gonna go add a tiny bit of pigment. I'm gonna bring it in here and show you how I do it. And then after that, I'm gonna clean it up, and then we'll see the finished product. So hang tight. All right, I'm back. So I am going to take my Maybelline Total Temptations in the color dark brown. Did do a video about eyebrow pencils before, so I will link that above. But I'm gonna start, and I'm not gonna do the most with it. I'm just gonna do a little thumb. So you see how this right here is a little sparse? I'm gonna fill that in, and then the same with this side. This is where the microblading has gotten a little weaker. So I'm just pushing a little pigment in there, and then I'm gonna brush it through. Do, do, do. Yes. Okay. Look at that. Right. Brushing that pigment. All right, and then this brush right here is actually still clean because I haven't used it for anything else. So let's see, I'll just lift this up a little bit. Just wanting to clean off the areas where you may have been a little overzealous with the soap and you have it everywhere. But yeah, so those will dry down a little bit, and then that is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions about how to do them, or if you've discovered another way to make your eyebrows bushy and lifted and amazing. Please let me know what you guys think. Otherwise, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be having so much more content, and I am excited to hear from you guys. Please go ahead and give me a like, show me some love, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Soap Brows. I am just feeling myself with these brows. You know, we all always have a favorite brow, but they're looking pretty good, and I'm gonna be reviewing the microblading soon. But thank you for staying tuned. I'm gonna link the Amazon link to the soap brow kit that I got, because it was the least expensive and it got the job done. So boom. Also Amazon, you don't gotta go nowhere. We love that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will holler at you next time.